I'm going to show how to create a page inside uiBench from vector drawings. We'll start with from Illustrator. There's this page that will be exporting to uiBench. First, let's get the logo. We'll export it and import it in uiBench. Name it logo. So now we have a vector drawing inside uiBench that we can place on the page. We have these snap lines for moving it up and down, left and right. Let's put it in the middle. Okay, so this is just a drawing. Now let's do a button. This is a profile button in a pressed state. Export it, import. Let's call it profile pressed. Now we need the unpressed version of it, which is basically the same, but it's gray instead of green. Again, export, import, name it profile. Sorry, this is pressed, the other one would be, no, this one is unpressed. Now we need to combine these two drawings into a button. So here we create a button. First we need to choose unpressed state and then pressed state, and we'll call this button profile. Now we can drag the button to our page. Let's move it up, go up. Okay, so same thing for the other buttons. Import. This will be test and pressed. And now we need the pressed version. We need the pressed version. Test, pressed, create a new button. Let me test. This is unpressed and pressed. Place it. Now when we move the snap line, they move together. Work out pressed. Work out pressed. And work out and pressed. Work out and pressed. Create the button. First unpressed state, then pressed state. Name it workout. Okay. So this whole process, then we do the same for the last two buttons. Now for iPhone 4, we can place them in different positions, and we can also scale them. to fit the smaller screen. So there's this feature that shows the distance between the lines. So we would want when we'd have the lower buttons, we would want the distances to be the same. So let's say 1/17. And that's basically how to import drawings from Illustrator into uiBench.